Do you know you can make tons of money online? Hello. Welcome back to Solving the Money Problem. Do you know there are two types of income? The first one is active income, and the second is passive income. In this video, we will talk about the 10 best ways to make money online in 2021. So, stay tuned, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Let's jump in and talk about number 10. Number 10, freelancing. Freelancing is the most common way to make money online nowadays, and many people are working from their homes. Upwork is a website for freelancers, and on Upwork, you can make an active income. The beauty of this is its low barrier of entry. If you want to work on Upwork, you will have to be good at something. If you are good at graphic designing, coding, web development, content writing, or any other skill, you can quickly start making money on Upwork. Upwork is the best platform to make online money. Another option is Fiverr, where you can get lots of work, and if you don't have enough time to do it all by yourself, then you may outsource it and get it done as long as it is legal. On Fiverr, people are selling services like logo design, animation, packaging design, web development, social media banners, design photo editing, architecture, 3D model, interior services cross-designing, t-shirt designing merchandising, and much more. Number 9, YouTube. You can start a new channel on YouTube from scratch. You have to reach the minimum views criteria of YouTube to get your channel monetized. The minimum standards of YouTube are 4,000 watch hours and at least 1,000 subscribers in the last 12 months. You can quickly start this easily from your home and start earning passive income. Once you meet the criteria of YouTube, you can get monetized. Do you know how much you can earn from YouTube? As much as you want. YouTube is a legit way to make money online. Number 8, Amazon FBA. Do you know that a popular way to make money online in 2021 is Amazon FBA? All that you need to do is send the items that you want to sell to Amazon, and they are going to be stored in the fulfillment centers of Amazon. You just need to wait for Amazon to receive your inventory, and then you can monitor it by using their unique tracking system online. Whenever a customer orders your items, they will be sold, and you will earn commission from that, and it will be an excellent e-commerce platform for Amazon FBA business. Number 7, dividend or stocks. Have you been looking for an instant way to make money online recently? Then it would be best if you equipped yourself with the knowledge about the world of making money with stocks and dividends. With just a low value investment, you will be able to earn massive rewards in a short amount of time. So what are you waiting for? Start researching about the companies and volatile industries which are going to offer you low value investments. Many people out there are indulging in online trading activities and making money every day without doing any work at all. This is the real beauty of online investments because you can make profits without any daily hassles and 9-to-5 jobs. Although there will be some hurdles and fluctuations in the stock market and prices, but once you get massive profit in the end, all of your efforts will be worth it. Number 6, Flippa.com. Flippa.com is a market for buying and selling online businesses globally. Flippa is used to buy and sell digital assets, such as eBay, websites, domains, games, Amazon FBA accounts, apps, and Shopify stores. If you are good at making websites, domains or apps, and games, you can sell that online and make a lot of money. Flippa.com works in such a way that you can take part in a bid like eBay, and if your offer is the highest, then congratulations. Because you have bought an online business for yourself. You can also make money by selling online businesses on this platform. Number 5, print on demand. Print on demand is a process where you go to the supplier to customize with label products. Print on demand is a straightforward way to start a new business with no inventory. Whether you are an artist, writer, or designer, entrepreneur, you can make cash now with this money-making option. Physical products can be a great way to monetize your creativity. Then put your original spin on everyday products like t-shirts, posters, backpacks, books, and sell them. If you traditionally operate a business, you have to buy and hold a big inventory. But in the print-on-demand business, you don't have to do this, and you can avoid this problem. It will save you time to deal with the logistics. Also, it is going to allow you to start selling quickly. Number 4, affiliate marketing. Now let us introduce you to the world of affiliate marketing, in which you can become an affiliate and earn a commission by marketing the products and services which are not even yours. It sounds like a dream, doesn't it? All that you need to do in this business is to search for the right product. After that, you are good to go because you have to promote that product for maximum lead and sales generation later on. The best part about this business is that you can track all the sales by using affiliate links from one website to another. Number 3, digital products. Digital products are intangible goods and services that have been sold in this era of technology. It is no secret that most of the things nowadays are being carried out online, from making transactions to purchasing goods and services. The best way to make money online in 2021 is by selling digital products online, and they can be anything from written articles to digitally designed images or social media banners. If you want to make social media posts or banners, and you can simply use online tools like canva.com and make money online. Number 2, takelessons.com. Takelessons.com is a tremendous website where you can teach any skill. Everyone has a gift that they can teach, like math equations, musical instruments, music, dance, film acting, singing, guitar, and different languages. Through this website, you can sell your skill anywhere in the world and start making money. If you have multiple skills to teach globally, you can get tons of money. Take Lesson is the high-rated website for teaching. You can teach people anywhere in the world by this website and make a lot of money to teach someone who might not know enough about such a particular skill. To start from scratch, all you need to do is to showcase your skill, profile, and start making money by teaching. Number 1, dropshipping. Who doesn't know about retail business because it is the most common way to make money and earn maximum profits? But what if we tell you that you can earn the whole retail chain and business without having any physical inventory or staff? It has become possible due to the fast-moving technology, and the sellers can take the orders of their customers without keeping any goods in their physical stock. A third party is going to be utilized who is going to ship the items directly to the customers. The vendor will be the one who will pass the sales order to the suppliers, and then the order is going to be processed. The vendor does not have a physical store or inventory to ship the items directly, and most of this retail business is going to happen without holding any inventory. Although there are some tricky strategies involved in the dropshipping business, once you get the hang of them, there will be no stopping as you will be making profits after profits. The ways to make money online that we discussed in this video are sure to help you out in your future money-making journey. If you like this video, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon, so you never miss our future videos like this.